Nature's Bounty, Ester-C, 1000 mg, 120 veggie-coated tablets. Product Overview Description. Patented immune health formula. 24-hour immune support. Maximum strength. Lasts longer than regular vitamin C. Stomach friendly. 1 per day. Non-GMO dietary supplement suitable for vegetarians. Ester-C lasts longer than regular vitamin C and supports your immune system for 24 hours. Enjoy the benefits of Ester-C every day. Patented 24-hour immune support stays in the immune system longer than regular vitamin C. Non-acidic and gentler on your stomach than regular vitamin C. Not all vitamin C is created equal. There is only one patented Ester-C formula. Ester-C is the patented immune health formula that stays in your system for 24 hours. Ester-C is the support you can count on all day, every day. Ester-C is carefully formulated to contain naturally occurring metabolites. Metabolites are substances derived from other compounds, such as nutrients, during the process of metabolism. The metabolites in Ester-C help enhance the retention of vitamin C by your white blood cells, which are a vital component of your immune system. So once you take your daily dose of Ester-C, it gets into your white blood cells, and stays there, for up to 24 hours, which is longer than regular vitamin C. Plus, Ester-C is manufactured without chemicals to neutralize pH, which means it's non-acidic and gentle on your stomach. Patented Ester-C delivers 24-hour immune and antioxidant support you can trust. Ester-C stays in the white blood cells for up to 24 hours, which is longer than regular vitamin C. White blood cells are an important component of the immune system. Suggested use. Directions: for adults, take 1 tablet daily, preferably with a meal. Other ingredients: vegetable cellulose. Contains 2% of calcium silicate, natural palm leaf glaze, vegetable magnesium stearate, vegetable stearic acid. Non-GMO. No gluten, no wheat, no milk, no lactose, no artificial color, flavor or sweetener, no preservatives, no sugar, no starch, no soy, no yeast, no fish. Sodium-free. Warnings. If you are pregnant, nursing, taking any medications or have any medical condition, consult your doctor before use. Discontinue use and consult your doctor if any adverse reactions occur. Keep out of reach of children. Store at room temperature. Do not use if seal under cap is broken or missing. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.